Alright guys, we're doing an experiment checking out how liquids and gases are both fluids. So, we're doing a popular experiment that you've all done before in your basement, in your kitchen. Baking soda over here. Gonna put a bunch of baking soda in here. I don't know. I'm just trying to make carbon dioxide, but I'm putting a bunch of baking soda in here, as you can see. And then I'm gonna get some vinegar in here, and as they mix together, you know it's gonna kind of like explode. But what's more happening that's more important is they're gonna mix together and make carbon dioxide.
Dada, look, it's going higher and higher.
It is going higher and higher. One thing that's happening is you can't really see it, but all these bubbles are making carbon dioxide. So it's invisible here, but there's all this carbon dioxide inside of here that's weighing down. It's heavier than air, so it's not just flying everywhere. Okay, so we have carbon dioxide inside of here.
Dad, it's looking like milk.
It does look like milk. And now what I'm gonna do is I have this candle here. I'm gonna light it. And then I'm gonna put this in here. Okay? I have water, and we all know water is a fluid. And what's gonna happen once I put water in there?
It will not breathe.
Not breathe. Okay, so let's see. Boom. Not breathe. It dies. There's no more fire. But what I want to show more importantly is this time I'm going to light this one up over here. And then as I light this up and put it here, what I'm going to do is, remember, there's all this carbon dioxide inside of here. And like I said, gas is also a fluid. So as I pour this, it's going to look invisible, but I am pouring carbon dioxide into here. And let's see what happens. Pour. Boom. What happened is, it looks like I poured nothing in there, but actually, carbon dioxide flowed out of here and went into this container, getting rid of that. You can see this a little bit better as I use this cardboard. I'm gonna light this up. So I'm lighting up this cardboard here, and if I put it into this empty container here of water, you know, nothing really happens, right? However, with the same fire, if I put it here, this is filled with carbon dioxide. So if I put it in here, all this smoke, it all goes away. I'm gonna do that one more time. So I'm lighting this up. Maybe I should do something that like lights up a little bit better. But I'm gonna put it into the carbon dioxide. Boom. And it all lights out. I could even pour it on. Okay? And that's how we see that liquid is a fluid, like we know, but gas is also a fluid. Thanks for watching, everyone. You want to say anything to the camera? Nice. All right, guys, we're doing an experiment today, seeing how gases and liquids are actually both fluids.
Yeah.